Who here wants to learn how to clean up their cuticles using the orange stick trick? So I know the stick isn't orange, but it's made out of orange wood. So anyways, I know I struggled for the longest time, and they're still far from perfect, but I struggled for the longest time to get like the rounded edge and get pro base off of my skin. So it's like somebody failed to tell me for about 1.5 years that you could fix your cuticle line with a simple stick, huh? Nobody told you. So if you want to learn that technique, just stay tuned and keep watching. So I have different tools right here. This is the infamous orange stick. It's because it's made out of orange wood, not because the stick is orange. But there's some other tools that you can use. For example, I have this silicone tool. I forgot where I got it, but it's also slanted. I think the silicone ones are perfect for gel, not necessarily for a dip, but it also has the slant and it gets right in the crease where you need it to go. But I prefer the silicone ones for gel and chrome and stuff like that. I also have this silicone one that I got from Sparkle & Co., but you can find much cheaper ones on AliExpress. I do have one from AliExpress. The quality is a little cheaper, I will admit. However, it has that slant, or this right here, that you can get right where you need it to go. Again, I still prefer the silicone ones for gel. So the more abrasive ones, I also have this cuticle stick from Cuticle Candi. I mean, it's in the name Cuticle, so everything is for your cuticles. I love these because not only do I roughen up my nail bed and get that invisible cuticle off my cuticles with this end, but look at that perfect other end. So I know a lot of people use this to like dig off any excess skin, but nope, right after I dip, I go right in and I use this end and I get right on my cuticle line. Who saw me before I knew who I'd be? So I'm doing a very quick voiceover on my video right now, so do not mind me if what I'm saying doesn't exactly match up with my hand motions. So the very first thing you want to do is just go through your dipping process. If you're unsure on how to dip, I'm going to put a link to my dipping tutorial in the description below. Just go ahead and add pro base to your entire nail. When you're done adding pro base, you're going to dip your finger in your powder. And immediately after dipping in your powder is when you want to do the trick. So I'm taking this tool and I'm running it around the edges of my cuticle. Be sure to also get on the skin area of the fingers. And then just wipe off your tool. And I do this for every single nail that I dip. That way I have my clean cuticle line and I make sure there's no pro base running on my cuticles. And the voiceover doesn't match. Okay, so I'm about to do my thumb just to show you guys a retake, a second version, but I'm going to be using the orange stick instead of the Cuticle Candi stick. So again, go through your dipping process like normal. Oops, I had to clean off some excess on my skin, and that's totally normal to do. And find your orange stick right after this and run it along your cuticle lines. Even if you feel like you didn't mess up on your cuticles and you didn't get too much pro base there, it's still nice to just run it around your cuticle line so that you have the perfect, seamless, beautiful cuticle line and it's not lumpy. Alright, so now I'm just brushing off the rest of my nails. You don't have to keep watching this part, but I'm just brushing them off and then I'm going to show you what everything looked like after I brushed them off. So after this part, you're going to apply activator and buff, file, smooth, and your top coat. and you'll be perfect and have the most wonderful manicure, and you'll be happy that you no longer have probase on your cuticles. All right, bye-bye.